Hmm. Who am I? Who am I? I ain't no weirdo. I ain't no weirdo. Fully invested spiritual. Lifting your fucking spirit out your body like it's a ritual. It's a miracle running around physical. Put your ass in a state of the world is about to listen to. Crowd around, better tell them before I tell them now. Black King gets our time. Black King gets our time. They technical fouls. They on the sideline writing what's personal down. They in the cut trying to technically take it to trial. They still wondering how to take what's naturally ours. That's our shit, man. They get a little bit. We talking little shit. Give them a taste, a sample for what it is. I'm a man, I'm an asshole coming in. Shaking my head gonna make you test the testament. I'm a friend, I'm a fucked up Anunnaki. I take a queen and take her mind all out her body. I touch spirits, listening, you can feel it. Quiet the mind a little, cause some of that shit is gibberish. Some of that shit is wickedness. Some of that shit will take you by the hand and leave you heaven sent. Or some of that shit will take you by the hand like heaven sent for this. Blissfulness. Blissfulness. That's why.